After the cutting and stitching, we enter the final act. Here, the identity of the garment is born. Every logo label is carefully stitched, a signature of craftsmanship that says, "Made with sweat and pride in Vietnam." The machine hums with a relentless rhythm. The worker's eyes never leave the needle. In this room, precision is the only language spoken. Then comes the armor. Metal buttons are attached with high-pressure machines. These aren't just fasteners. They are reinforcements built to last a lifetime. Every punch is a promise of durability. The final touch, thread cleaning. Obsessive? Perhaps, but for these makers, quality is found in the details. This is inside Vietnam workshops, where the human element remains the heart of every stitch.